In this short tutorial, I will tell how to fix an unrecognizable SSD by Windows. Welcome to ITFO's tutorial on troubleshooting an SSD that isn't recognized by Windows. Let's dive into some effective tips to fix this issue. For such informative tutorial, subscribe to channel. First, connect your SSD to a different PC. If it's recognized there, your issue might be with your BIOS or connections. If the SSD isn't detected on the second PC, the problem could be with the SSD itself, either settings, software, or hardware. Try using a known working secondary SSD on your PC. If it's detected, your connections are fine. If not, your PC might be the problem. Check for loose or damaged cables. SSDs need data and power cables. M.2 SSDs fit directly into the motherboard. Turn off and unplug your PC. Check and clean all cable connections, then reconnect them securely before powering your PC again. If the SSD still isn't found, use different data and power cables and inspect M.2 slots for any damage or debris. By identifying where the issue lies, you can take appropriate actions to resolve your SSD detection problem effectively. Thanks for watching.